Nice. Cha-ching. All right. Wait, what? No. My campaigns have stopped. Oh, just a dream. Now that I use Juni for my e-commerce business, I don't actually have to worry. I can rest easy. Is Juni a bank? No. Does it do bank stuff? Yeah. Cards, accounts in multiple currencies, almost no fees. My Juni Platinum Visa card gets 1% unlimited cash back. That's an extra 1% on return on ad spend just by swapping payment methods. Plus, their fully custom spend limits mean no more campaign stoppage nightmares. And the Juni dashboard lets me track all of my finances through integrations, just like I track my campaigns. Bank accounts, Shopify stores, payment gateways, and even ad networks all in one place. And if I ever run into any trouble, my personal account manager's got my back all the time. It's like having your own private banker that also understands everything when it comes to running an e-commerce or marketing business. Juni, building the future of banking, tailor-made for e-commerce and marketing businesses, and making finance a dream. Click below now and create an account in just a few minutes. In fact, if you sign up today, we'll give you double cash back your first month at Juni.